Perhaps you've seen this video on YouTube. It shows Samantha Stewart, resident of Yellowknife, Northwest Territories in Canada, throwing a pot of boiling water into the air. The water immediately turns into some kind of a mix of fog, snow, mist, or something. Honestly, I have no idea what's happening to the water in this video, so to find out, we contacted fellow Yellowknifer and high school chemistry teacher Brent Simmons.
When it's still warm, still hot, the water starts to evaporate, but it happens so quickly because it is so cold, and it is exiting its heat at a rapid pace. That is the exothermic process that's taken place. And that water transfers from the liquid to a water vapor. And the water vapor, the warm water vapor, the tiny, tiny droplets of water are hitting that very drastic cold temperature. And instantly it creates a fog. But the droplets are so small that it feels just like smoke. Another component of the explanation of this phenomenon is that when you boil water, it rids itself of the dissolved gases that it contains. And when you do this, because gases are less soluble in warm temperatures, essentially what it's doing is making water freeze above zero. So these tiny water droplets don't have to get down to zero to freeze, so they are able to freeze quicker. The rest of the video shows the snow falling to the ground. Well, that's the other water molecules that didn't get a chance to become so small or didn't get a chance to evaporate. And because it's exposed to that extreme cold temperature, it freezes or forms a precipitate, and it falls to the ground in the form of snow.
So wait, is she basically creating like a mini snowstorm with this pot of water?
Yeah, you could say that, yeah. It's a cold front and a warm front hitting and causing that fog.
For Discovery News, I'm Jorge Ribas, and that's evaporating water in -30 degrees Celsius in Yellowknife, Northwest Territories explained.